Welcome to our Basic Trading Concepts series. Today, we're going to explore the basics of fundamental analysis, a cornerstone technique in the world of investing. Understanding fundamental analysis is essential for making informed investment decisions. Fundamental analysis is a method of evaluating a security's intrinsic value by examining related economic, financial, and other qualitative and quantitative factors. It involves looking beyond the price of a stock to determine its underlying value. Let's start with economic factors. Fundamental analysts examine the overall economy, considering aspects like GDP growth, inflation, interest rates, and employment figures. These factors can have a significant impact on the market and individual securities. Next is the analysis of a company's financial health. This involves delving into its financial statements, the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Analysts look at metrics like revenue, earnings, debt, and assets to assess a company's strength and potential for growth. For example, a company with strong revenue growth and manageable debt levels might be considered a good investment prospect. Analyzing the industry and competitors is also crucial. Understanding the industry's health, trends, and competitive landscape helps gauge a company's potential. For instance, a leading company in a growing industry might be a more attractive investment than one in a declining sector. For example, a tech company leading in innovation in a rapidly growing market segment may offer more value compared to those in saturated markets. In addition to quantitative data, qualitative factors are equally important. This includes the quality of a company's management, brand strength, patents, and proprietary technology. For instance, a company with a strong, innovative product line and experienced leadership can be a promising investment. Fundamental analysis is a powerful tool for investors. It helps in making informed decisions by understanding the true value of a security beyond just its current market price. Exciting topics await in our Basic Trading Concepts series. Join us as we deepen your insights into the financial markets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.